अत्रिनाथ्वा कृमिहन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीनागुं राजा अप्येषागुस्तपतिर्रतः अथो मातातो पिता अथो मातातो पिता अथो मातातो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो शूद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका अथाः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे अथाः आहरावद्या श्रुतस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यं यदमुयमस्य झम्बयोः आददामि तथा हि तत् कन्फन्मृसि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
जय 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 गणनायका जय जय विघ्न विनाशका जय 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 गणनायका जय जय विघ्न विनाशका जय शुभ मंगलदायका विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका जय शुभ मंगलदायका विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजवदना गौरी नंदन गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका, जय शुभ मंगलदायका, विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका, गजवदना गौरी नंदन, गजवदना गौरी नंदन, गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन, गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन। जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
जगत उदाहरण परति विहारन, जगत उदाहरण परति विहारन, तुम हो मंगलदायक प्रभु, तुम हो मंगलदायक। जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम। पाप विमोचना भव भय बंधन, पाप विमोचना भव भय बंधन, सुंदर नयन विराज, सुंदर नयन विराज, प्रभु तुम हो मंगलदायक। जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम। जगत उदाहरण परति विहारन, तुम हो मंगलदायक। जय साई राम, जय साई राम। पाप विमोचना भव भय बंधन, सुंदर नयन विराज, सुंदर नयन विराज, तुम हो मंगलदायक। जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम, जय साई राम। जगत उदाहरण परति विहारन,
जननी जननी सत्य साई सुबह जननी, जननी जननी सत्य साई सुबह जननी, जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी साईश्वरी जननी, जगत्कारिणी परिपूरणी साईश्वरी जननी, सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी, सत्यस्वरूपिणी जननी, धर्म संवादिनी जननी, धर्म संवादिनी जननी, शांत स्वरूपिणी जननी, शांत स्वरूपिणी जननी, प्रेम प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी साई प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी 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 सत्यसाई स्वभजननी जगत्कारिणि परिपूरिणि साईश्वरि जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी धर्मसंवर्धिनि जननी शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी साई प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी 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 सत्यसाई सुभजननी
I offer you a flower, Lord, the flower of my heart. I offer you a flower, Lord, the flower of my heart. I offer you a song, Lord, a song from my heart. I offer you a song, Lord, a song from my heart. I offer you a home, Lord, a temple in my heart. I offer you a home, Lord, a temple in my heart. All I ask of you, Lord, is a place in your heart. All I ask of you, Lord, is a place in your heart. Life is but a dream, Lord, though real it may seem. Life is but a dream, Lord, though real it may seem. Happiness and sorrow, Lord, will vanish like a dream. Happiness and sorrow, Lord, will vanish like a dream. To reach you, oh dear Lord, is all that we dream. To reach you, oh dear Lord, is all that we dream. If I love and serve all, I will realize the dream. If I love and serve all, I will realize the dream. I offer you a flower, Lord, the flower of my heart. I offer you a song, Lord, a song from my heart. I offer you a home, Lord, a temple in my heart. All I ask of you, Lord, is a place in your heart. Life is but a dream, Lord, though real it may seem. Happiness and sorrow, Lord, will vanish like a dream. To reach you, oh dear Lord, is all that we dream. If I love and serve all, I will realize the dream. If I love and serve all, I will realize the dream. I offer you a flower, Lord, the flower of my heart.
想你在佛心底，烛不灭佛光。想你在佛心底里，寻找常住不灭佛光。佛光普照四方，点亮智慧的灵光。佛光普照四方，点亮智慧的灵光。皈依我是沙雕塞，来把生命的真谛弘扬。皈 皈依我是萨嗲塞，来把生命的真谛弘扬，向内在佛心定里，寻找常住不灭佛光，佛光普照四方，点亮智慧的灵光。皈依我是萨嗲塞，来把生命的真谛弘扬。皈依我是萨嗲塞，来把生命的真谛弘扬。向内在佛心定里，寻找常住不灭佛光。
भवभयहरण वंदित चरण, भवभयहरण वंदित चरण, जय राधा जय माधव शौरी, जय राधा जय माधव। मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन, मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन, नारायण केशवा साई नारायण केशवा। जय राधा जय माधव सौरे, जय राधा जय माधव। भवभयहरण वंदित चरण, भवभयहरण वंदित चरण, जय राधा जय माधव सौरे। मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन, मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन, नारायण केशवा साई नारायण केशवा। जय राधा जय माधव सौरी, जय राधा जय माधव। भवभयहरण वंदित चरण, जय राधा जय माधव।
हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, प्रेम भक्ति बिना उद्धार नहीं, प्रेम भक्ति बिना उद्धार नहीं, गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, जब ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, जब ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, जय धर्म बिना सद्गर्म नहीं, जय धर्म बिना सद्गर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपन नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपन नहीं, साई नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, साई नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, प्रेम भक्ति बिना उद्धार नहीं, गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, जब ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, जय धर्म बिना सद्धर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपन नहीं, साई नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, ओ साई नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति 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 नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, साई भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं।
गुरुदेव महादेव साई देव, 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 ब्रह्मा विष्णु साई देव, ब्रह्मा विष्णु साई देव, सत्य साई गुरु महादेव, सत्य साई गुरु महादेव, गुरुदेव महादेव साई देव, गुरुदेव महादेव साई देव, गुरुदेव महादेव साई देव, ब्रह्मा विष्णु साई देव, ब्रह्मा विष्णु साई देव, सत्य साई गुरु महादेव, सत्य साई गुरु महादेव, गुरुदेव महादेव साई देव।
शिव शंभो नारायण, शिव शंभो नारायण, शिव शंभो नारायण, शिव शंभो नारायण, प्रतिवासा साईश्वरा, प्रतिवासा साईश्वरा, शिव शंभो नारायण, सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा शिव शंभो नारायण ईश्वरा शिव शंभो नारायण शिव शंभो नारायण शिरडी साई जगदीश्वरा शिरडी साई जगदीश्वरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा शिव शंभो नारायण
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजोरे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजोरे सदा भजोरे सदा जपोरे सदा भजोरे सदा जपोरे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजोरे राम 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 जय कोदंड रामा राम 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 जय पट्टाभिरामा राम 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 जय कल्याण रामा राम 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 जय कल्याण रामा राम राम तारकं सदा भजोरे सदा भजोरे सदा जपोरे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजोरे राम 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 जय कोदंड रामा राम 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 जय पट्टाभिरामा राम 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 जय कल्याण रामा राम 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 जय कल्याण रामा राम राम तारकं सदा भजोरे
ஏறுமயில் ஏறு நீ பாபா சண்முகா ஏறுமயில் ஏறு நீ பாபா சண்முகா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா ஆதிவாணி ஓதிவா பாபா சண்முகா ஆதிவாணி ஓதிவா பாபா சண்முகா நீ ஆதிவா சண்முகா நீ ஓதிவா சண்முகா ஆதிவாணி ஓதிவா பாபா சண்முகா சக்தியத்தின் வேல் முருகா பாபா சண்முகா சக்தியத்தின் வேல் முருகா பாபா சண்முகா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா ஏறுமயில் ஏறி நீ பாபா சண்முகா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா ஆதிவாணி ஓடிவா பாபா சண்முகா நீ ஆதிவா சண்முகா நீ ஓடிவா சண்முகா ஆதிவாணி ஓடிவா பாபா சண்முகா சக்தியத்தின் வேல் முருகா பாபா சண்முகா வேலா வரி வேலா வேலா சக்தி வேலா 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 వేలవరి వేళ వేల శక్తి వేళ ఏరుమయల్ ఏరి నీ బాబా షణ్ముగా
Subramanyam Subramanyam Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Sainatha Subramanyam Shiva 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 Subramanyam Hara 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 Subramanyam Shiva 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 Subramanyam Hara 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 Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam Shiva Sharavana Bhava Subramanyam Guru Charavana Bhava Subramanyam Shiva Sharavana Bhava Subramanyam Guru Charavana Bhava Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam 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 Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Sainatha Subramanyam Shiva 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 Subramanyam Hara 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 Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam Shiva Sharavana Bhava Subramanyam Guru Charavana Bhava Subramanyam Shiva Sharavana Bhava Subramanyam Guru Charavana Bhava Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam 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 Shanmukhanatha Subramanyam 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 Sainatha Subramanyam Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Sai Gayatri. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Saram to uncles and aunties, brothers and sisters. Next up, we would like to chant the Triambagam mantra for Brother Sombun, who has merged with Swami earlier this week. Om त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Om peace, peace, peace.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायणतु पुरुषोत्तमगुरुतो सिद्धबुद्धतो स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावकतो सविता पावकतो ब्रह्ममजतो यहवशक्तितो येषु पिता प्रभुतो रुद्रविष्णुतो रामकृष्णतो रहीमतावतु रहीमतावतु वासुदेवगो विश्वरूपतो चिदानन्द हरितो अद्वितीयतो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिवतो आत्मलिंग शिवतो आत्मलिंग शिवतो असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलहारति अंदुको मंगलहारति अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
Sairam, uncles and aunties, brothers and sisters, wishing everyone a happy Sunday. Today's message will be given by Sister Anasu.
Can I share screen, please?
Yes. Suraj, can you make her host, please, so that she can share? I'll stop sharing on mine.
Okay, Sairam, can you all see the screen?
Yes, thank you, Akka. Ken.
So, Sairam, today's message I'm going to be talking about is the duality of God and man in the title of faith. Swami has said, it's in Prashanti Nilayam, 26 December 2007, God is in you, with you, around you, above you, below you. Develop full faith in divinity, then you can achieve anything in life. None of us in this time is alone. Swami is always with us. Develop faith as your foremost quality, irrespective of whether it brings you the desired results or not. Add love to the faith. I am you, you are me. You and I are one. Faith is not a transaction. We don't give Swami something and get something in return. It is not about having a deal with God that if we have faith or we believe in Baba and Baba's message, that means you will have good things happen in your life. Bangsa Center Sai family, you all know, that's just not true. You can see, for my mom's death, my brother's death, bad things will happen. But having faith, it's not about that bad things happen. It's about
having the strength to survive the bad things with yourself intact. In this dualistic world, it is natural that gain and pain alternate. Good and bad will happen. You cannot avoid it. Do not despair when adversities confront you. No exalt when success blesses you. Any adversity is a stepping stone to eternal bliss. Look, bad things are going to happen. You know, and we're all human. I mean, Swami says don't despair. But being human, sometimes we will despair. Sometimes we are in pain. Sometimes we have to face the darkness. But then we also know that the pain will pass. It will alternate with happiness. We will get the blessings. But the patience must be there. When things are going bad, especially now, you know, not just globally, locally, I mean, the word global can be used in a few ways. So there is pain in a lot of different places. But even that is part of the process. And have faith that it's part of the process. Faith devoid of love has no use. When you're talking about God, you're talking, you know, you must have love. Love and faith must be together. They are mutually attractive magnetic poles. Sometimes faith is also termed self. Without self, you cannot help others. Only when there is faith, you can achieve anything in life. I love this sentence. I really love this sentence, this Swami's quote here. Faith is also self. You have not just faith in God, but faith in yourself. And remember, faith without love, you know, is of no use. So when you talk about yourself, you have faith in yourself, but you also love yourself. And that means when we make mistakes, when we do things wrong, when we behave when we sometimes fail to behave up to our own standards, acknowledge and forgive and love ourselves. Forgive ourselves, you know. So when we look at how Swami puts it, it is so beautiful how Swami ties it all in together, that to have faith, it's not just having faith in God, but faith is also termed self. It's also you, have faith in you. And in order to have faith in you, you must love you. Then you can achieve anything. They have therefore to learn to use the power of discrimination. I am a human being. In this condition, how should I conduct myself so that I may win the respect and regard of others? These are questions that each student must ask himself. He should inquire on every occasion as to what is the right course and what is to be avoided. He should decide on what he should do and where he should go after due inquiry. Having acquired knowledge, he should not behave like an illiterate, uneducated person. His conduct should be in keeping with his learning. Humility is the index of true education. Without humility, scholarship will lack luster. Discrimination is essential for every student and educated man. No matter how much, you know, we grow within this organization, no matter how much we grow as people, sometimes, like, you know, because we are human, we will make mistakes, we will fail. But, you know, there is certain rules of conduct. There is certain ways of behaving that, you know, no matter how, especially in public, especially in front of people, and I will have to say this, especially with people, you know, when everybody is trying to work together, if people are behaving in a way that is akin to, you know, that is not based on how he should behave based on his education, then you're illiterate. There have been things which have been happening in Malaysia. There have been things which has been happening globally, you know, which shakes our faith in humanity, which shakes our faith in an organization, which shakes our faith in a nation. But at the end of the day, when we want to see what is Swami's teachings, you know, we have to remember that Swami did teach, and Swami does teach, that we need to conduct ourselves as human beings. We need to conduct ourselves with respect of other people, and, you know, and do things in a way that's right. So in summary, during a crisis, have faith in yourself and divinity, no matter the challenges. So whatever crisis that we're having now, and we are having numerous crises now, you know, because we're in crisis, we will behave wrongly. But when we have faith in ourselves, that means we love ourselves enough to forgive. We love ourselves enough to let it go. We love ourselves enough to say, okay, I was wrong. I need to correct some of my behaviors, but I can forgive my behaviors, I can move forward. And for those who, for those whose behaviors keep being wrong, Swami does say that's not right. Okay? Act in service of others as faith needs love. Act humble. We have education and science. Do not be arrogant and behave like uneducated individuals. The last part, when we talk about how people are behaving now, EMCO is, everybody is struggling with EMCO, but we still have got rules of conduct. And as much as we are frustrated, as much as we are in pain, as much as we all are struggling, it's a nation struggling together. And, there's a right way and a wrong way to even manage the government. There's a right way and a wrong way to manage an organization. And, we have to find what is right for us and follow what is right for us at the end of the day. I'd just like to share with everybody that there's going to be a sharing with myself, Sister Kudwa, and the psychology students who are Sai adults. And we're going to be talking about mental health in the Sai way. There's going to be a lot of focus on Hinduism as well as Sai, at least in my talk. It's open to everybody. We've shared it in the groups. Please do share with the link. Sai Ram, thank you very much.
Sai Ram, thank you so much, Akka, for that beautiful message. Before we end, we have a small announcement by Uncle Raja. Can I have him unmute his mic, please?
Thank you, Prashantini. Salam, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes, salam, everyone. Good evening and welcome to our online bhajan. First and foremost, I need to thank Sister Anasu for a wonderful message. Surprisingly, it acts as a preamble to my announcement today. Number two, I'd like to thank the bhajan team for a wonderful piece of work done. Great effort. And what is more nice today to watch was something new that you all did for the Sarvadharma prayers, where all the God forms were included. Very nice. Thank you. And every one of you all are listening in. You all know that our AGM is on the 18th of July. That is next Sunday in the morning at 10 a.m. So please attend our AGM. This is the flyer that we're going to circulate soon. This will be our AGM circulation flyer. Don't forget to attend. It is 10 a.m. in the morning and not 10 p.m. at night. So please be aware. Now, coming back to my message that I want to share today is something that interests every one of us, and it's going to affect our lives in the future. All of you all who are in Facebook, I'm not in Facebook, unfortunately, but all of you all who are in Facebook and who have seen a lot of information that have been circulating around from India, from California, Australia, and everywhere else in terms of a small mismanagement that is taking place. I won't say mismanagement, it is a conflict of people who have got different ideologies of what Swami has planned for us. Now, Swami has planned in such a way that there are 3 organizations in the world today. It comes out of Prashanti Nilayam. Number 1 is the Sri Satya Sai International Organization. Number 2, there is the Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization for the whole of India. And the third one is the Satya Sai Central Trust. All of you are aware that these 3 things work independently for the benefit of Swami. Swami has been the coordinator of this all his life, and he has ensured that all these 3 operate independently, as it is of great importance for the running of the organization. So you all would have noticed that suddenly there is something that was arising from Central Trust, who have decided to take the baton to go ahead and organize a consultative body where they want to be the main body running all these 3 organizations. When Swami decided for 3 different organizations, he had 3 things in mind. The international organization will take care of all the 130 countries in which we represent. The Seva organization will take care of the whole of India in terms of all the operations. And the Central Trust is supposed to take care of all the schools, the hospitals, all the premises that is owned by Prashanthi Nilayam, all the assets, and to look after it. It is a tremendous kind of work where all three operate independently. Now, when there is a question of somebody who wants to come and say, we want to control everything under one umbrella, there were a little bit of irregularities in terms of reference. Now, everyone are used to operating independently. When you want to come under one particular roof, the term of reference must be clear, and the term of reference must be compatible to each and everyone to find a smooth working relationship. But unfortunately, till today, the top three have not come to a consensus yet. So there's still consultative negotiations that are going on. Now, while that is going on, certain parts of the world, including Malaysia, have decided to move otherwise. So they have been, who have not been patient enough to wait for our Central Council to make a decision for Malaysia, where each country is ruled by a Central Council for themselves. Like our Malaysian Council is awaiting the outcome of the negotiation taking place by the three consultative bodies. But unfortunately, the patience has been running thin, and there are a few individuals together with a group who have decided that they will align themselves only with Central Trust, and they decided to go ahead. Now, unfortunately, some of us may know who are those people who have formed this new Global Council of Malaysia, which has come out in all over the youth WhatsApp groups that have been circulating. We were not going to announce everything in full to you all until we get the final say, since we are still in negotiating with them in terms of modifying, improving the terms of reference. The terms of reference has sounded from day one that it has been authoritative and dictatorial. As such, we wanted to find a common grounds in which everyone can come under one umbrella and work. Whatever the decision is, we have only two things that we cannot change. Number one, our headquarters will always be Prashanthi Nilayam. That's where Swami is, Swami will be, and Swami shall be. Number two, there is no way anywhere else people can say that Prashanthi Nilayam and Swami are two different places. We are not going to allow that, and that's how Council is standing its grounds. So, number one, Swami is where Prashanthi Nilayam is, and Prashanthi Nilayam is where Swami is going to be. That is supposed to be our headquarters, and there's no change about that. The terms of reference that are now undergoing negotiations and challenges where all three are sitting together to find a common ground to work is still ongoing. It is not ended. But I cannot give you an explanation why this particular group in Malaysia has gone ahead and formed a new council office for themselves to say that they only want to align themselves with the Central Trust, and they feel whatever Central Trust is doing is what is best for everybody else. I know each and every devotee of you all will be confused, will be not understanding what is happening. That's where I'm surprised that today Anasu's message was so much aligned with what I'm saying, that have faith in Swami, and whatever Swami's message is, whatever Swami has done, what is doing and what is going to do is for the betterment of all the devotees. So please have faith, and please continue your good work that you're doing for Swami. Instead of forming new organizations or fighting over things, we are at a crisis where we are trying to find ways and means to serve people food for those who are hungry and do seva to all those people that we feel necessary. Continue the good work. And if any one of you all who have any questions relating to this events that is unfolding from California to India to here, please refer the questions to us, and we'll answer it to the best of our ability, and we'll keep you all informed as and when the situation changes and new things unfolding. It is our duty to keep you all informed, and we shall do that accordingly. Thank you.
Uncle
And Sarah.
Uncle.
Yes,
Uncle, I really have to say this because I've heard people say